Hi everyone, we still have quite a few days of summer left, so it's not too late to try lavender lemonade if you haven't already. Let's get started. First, get roughly 1 cup of filtered water into your pot. You'll need dried lavender. Just make sure it's safe for consumption. If you're using fresh, you'll need to add a bit more. 2 teaspoons of dried lavender go right into the pot. In order to keep the lemonade a beautiful purple color without adding the nasty artificial food coloring, I am adding 1 teaspoon of butterfly pea flower. And if you have fresh mint in your garden, then pop that into the pan too. Roughly 3 or 7 leaves, depending on your preference. Finally, half of a cup of sugar. If you're using honey, add it once it's cooling down so you don't destroy the enzymes. Stir well and set the heat to medium. In the first few minutes, you want to stir it often to help the sugar dissolve completely. When it's starting to boil, you are going to let it simmer for 15 minutes on a very low heat. Now it's time to take it off the heat, strain it, and let it cool down. And of course, you will need lemon juice. Squeeze more or less 2 lemons to obtain a cup of fresh lemon juice. Make sure you remove all the seeds because you don't want to have a seed situation later on. Pour the lemon juice right to the pitcher together with filtered cold water almost right to the top. It's best to add herbal mixture last so that you can control the color of the lemonade that you want to obtain. I like to keep it very light in the main pitcher so that everyone can make it stronger if they want to. And of course, lots of lemon slices and ice cubes need to be there too. If you have some herbal mixture left, you can keep it in the fridge for the next day. For the individual glasses, I like to add additional herbal mixture first, so it goes on the bottom and creates a really nice effect when you slowly pour in the lighter version. It just looks amazing, especially with a lemon slice, mint leaves and fresh lavender. Don't forget to enjoy the rest of the summer and stay positive.